Hello, this is Jerome Surilia, and today I'm going to share you a quick update regarding to my vertical garden here in our apartment sa San Miguel, Manila. So come, let's get closer, let's have fun. So basically, it's been a long time na hindi ko kayo nabigyan ng update regarding sa aking garden. Yan. Naging truly parang curtain na talaga yung ano namin dito, yung photos. This one is basically sabihin natin na dates. Inagay dyan and then tumubo. Hopefully, mabuhay talaga siya. Ito naman inalagay namin sa CR, snake plant. This one is the never dying ZZ plant. Yeah. Inilabas ko lang sila para maarawan. This is a purple. I forgot the name, but my purple heart. There you go. There you go. Some new members of the plants here. Another heart. Ito ko linagay yung mga ibang gamit ko. Actually, I even have a dinosaur here. There you go. Yung pot na walang butas, dyan ko linalagay yung aking mga, what you call this one? This one? A mini shovel, a trowel. Spider plant, yes. Tataas naman yung mini potos. Mga potos na binubuhay ko. Yan yung mini spider plant. Ito naman yung peace lily. Ipinagsama-sama ko na sila sa isang pot. Actually, kaka-transfer ko lang nito eh. If not mistaken, mga a week already. At inilagay ko yung mga naipon ko mga bato-bato kung saan ko nakakuha. Just like in Guimaras, Boracay, Patar, and then sa Pagudpod. Dyan sila lahat. And of course, the heart. Yeah, yung mga bells. I want it very simple, pero ganun talaga. Ito, medyo matagal na to. Ito yung ating foxtail na plant. Dati, 3 yan. Isa lang na lang natira ng buhay. Yeah. Hindi ko siya basta-basta inanuhan. Ito yung fortune plant. Andiyan pa rin yung mga ribbon-ribbon niya. And then, the rest of them are here. So, basically, that's everything as of now. I think kailangan kong linisin na tong cross na to. I bought this just to remember my sister who passed away. Ito linagay ko talaga dito yan, just for my gardening. But I already think I'm gonna remove this one. Uuwi ko na siya sa Cebu. Yan siya. Surrender to what is left of what was, have faith in what will be. This is the bell. Pinwheel is the pinwheels ever since. Kaya lang medyo maano na siya, withered na. Meron pang humuhuning ibon. Crazy. Just wonderful na lang. Ayan yung spider plant, shiny. Where's the bird? Yun lang siya. Karamihan ng mga plants ko, gusto ko pare-pareho ang kulay. So, I think that's basically everything. And bye for now. Ito yung prayer gardens prayer natin yan.